Did you know that you can make deliciously juicy baked apples right in your air fryer? It takes half the time that it takes in the oven, and they are so delicious. You can serve them up as breakfast or with a scoop of vegan vanilla ice cream for dessert. These baked apples are seasoned with cozy pumpkin spice, and they are so addictive. You only need a few simple ingredients to make them. Let's do it! Start by slicing your apples in half lengthwise and removing the stems. Then use an ice cream scoop or a spoon to scoop out the cores. Any sweet, juicy apple will work in this recipe. Something like a Gala or a Fuji is a great choice. Once they're scooped, you're going to brush the insides with maple syrup, which is going to help those apples stay moist and juicy during cooking. Now make the filling by combining rolled oats, pecans, maple syrup, and pumpkin pie spice in a medium bowl. Mix that together until you have a nice even mixture, and then spoon the mixture into the holes that you made in the apples. Make sure you stuff them generously. Now here's another step that helps the apples stay extra moist and juicy. Before you put the apples into the air fryer, pour a little bit of water into the basket. Don't worry, this won't harm your air fryer. It just helps create a steamy environment that keeps the apples moist. Air fry the apples at 350 for 15 minutes until they're nice and tender. You can serve them up as is or with a scoop of vegan vanilla ice cream or vegan whipped cream. If you want them for breakfast, you can use vegan vanilla yogurt instead. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make baked apples in the air fryer. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!